Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into Facebook on a desktop browser so you can access full account controls. Once signed in, make sure your browser's Autofill Settings tab is open. You'll need to clear saved form data there too. Disable sync or sign out of secondary devices so changes don't immediately repopulate. Now go to Facebook Settings and Privacy and open Account Settings. This lets you edit profile-stored contact and address fields that feed the autofill function. You'll now remove the profile data that Facebook uses to suggest autofill. Navigate to Personal Information, then Contact and Basic Info. Systematically edit or delete every address, phone number, and secondary email. Once done, switch to your browser's autofill area and remove matching, saved form entries, addresses, phones, credit card autofill if present. Doing both is critical because Facebook and the browser both supply suggestions. Removing only one source won't stop autofill completely. Make sure to save changes and refresh the page. Finish by signing out of Facebook, clearing cache and cookies, then restarting your browser and the Facebook app on mobile. If autofill suggestions still show up, revoke third-party app permissions in Settings, disconnect device sync, and check any password managers for stored contact entries. If something goes wrong, focus on browser sync and password managers. They often reintroduce data. Once everything is cleared and sync is off, test by attempting a form. You should no longer see the unwanted autofill suggestions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.